welcome to Ram Deva classes. As you know, we have started this series on how to file the income tax returns. In the previous session, we discussed a brief process about how to file the return online on the income tax portal. And in this session, we are going to find out the answer to one basic question which all of us has. Am I supposed to file the income tax return if the total income is less than the basic exemption limit? So let's find it out. So friends, let us first discuss what is the basic exemption limit. Under the old regime, basic exemption limit is 2.5 lakhs for all individuals below 60 years of age. It is 3 lakhs for individuals above 60 years but less than 80 years of age. It is 5 lakh rupees for individuals above 80 years of age. However, under the new regime, the threshold is 3 lakh rupees. That is the basic exemption limit under the new regime is 3 lakh rupees irrespective of the age or gender. If your gross total income is more than the basic exemption limit, which is mentioned on the screen, then you are required to file the income tax return. Now, if the income is less than the basic exemption limit, whether there is a need to file the income tax return, let's find it out. So friends, having discussed the basic exemption limit, let us now try to find out the answer to this question. Am I required to file the income tax return if the total income is less than the basic exemption limit? So friends, the answer is yes, but there are certain conditions. So let us see all those conditions. First such condition is if you have deposited more than 1 crore rupees in one or more current accounts with a bank, then you are required to file the income tax return even if your income is less than the basic exemption limit. However, there is no such requirement for deposits made in the post office current accounts. Second, if you have spent more than 2 lakh rupees on the foreign travel, whether on yourself or for any other purpose, then you are required to file the income tax return. If the TDS or TCS, tax deducted as source or tax collected as source, is more than 25,000 rupees in the previous year, then you are required to file the income tax return. However, the limit is 50,000 rupees in case of the senior citizens. If you have deposited 50 lakhs or more in one or more savings accounts, then you are required to file the income tax returns. If the electricity expenditure is more than 1 lakh rupees, there is an electricity consumption, there is an electricity bill of more than 1 lakh rupees, you are still required to file the income tax return. If you are in the business, you are a businessman, you have a sales turnover which is more than 50 lakh rupees, then you are required to file the income tax return. And if you are a professional and the gross revenue is more than 10 lakh rupees, then also you are required to file the income tax return, even if the income is less than the basic exemption limit. So friends, I hope you found this thing relevant. If you want to know more about such topics, stay tuned for the upcoming video.